Have you seen any delivery vans? Coles, FedEx, Australia Post? In the Rapid Router game, you will be the driver of your own van on the computer. You will control the van by giving it instructions to move. Before playing the game, it is important to understand that the order in which you give the instructions matter. If the instructions are mixed up or not in the correct order, the van will not arrive at its destination. A sequence of instructions in the correct order to drive the van from start to finish can be called an algorithm. An algorithm can also be explained as a precise step-by-step set of instructions to solve a problem or complete a specific task. Another way to understand why the sequence of instructions matters in a computer program is that the instructions or algorithm are carried out by the program line by line in order. Just like you would read a book, a program will read an algorithm from left to right and top to bottom. Sign in to Rapid Router as a student.
To sign into the Rapid Router gaming page, you need to go to the Code for Life webpage. You can do this by typing in codeforlife.education into the search engine dialog box. This will take you to this webpage. To sign in as a student, click on the student button here. Then click on Play Rapid Router. On this page you can see the game levels displayed. The game increases in difficulty as you progress through the levels. To begin playing level 1, click on Getting Started and then Level 1, Can you help the van get to the house? When you begin a level, the game will give you instructions. It will also provide you with a task to complete. In this case, the task is, can you help the van get to the house? To begin the game level, click on Play. What can you see on the screen? In this space we have the Blocks of Code section. This is where you will find the instructions for driving. This is the code workspace where you can build up your algorithm. And here is the journey section where you can see the van and its destination. What directions can the van move in? Based on this map, the only option for the van is to move forward. Your task is to build the code for the van to move forward and determine how many grid squares the van has to travel. Firstly, you will need to drag the Move Forward block to the code workspace. Snap the blocks together so that the code will run. Check that you have determined the correct amount of grid squares you want the van to move forward. Once you have finished, you can click Play or the Start block. At the end of each level, the game will give you a score and feedback on your gameplay. If you are ready to move on to the next level, click on Next. Doing this will take you to level 2.